Hello friends, today we are making chicken tawa. For this we need one chicken cut in 16 to 18 pieces, half onion, 2-inch piece of ginger, 2 tablespoons garlic, 3 chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. If you want to increase red chili powder, you can make it like 2 teaspoon, then it will be spicy. And 4 tomatoes and 1 lemon. And of course cooking oil. Let's start it. We can put little water in it, and then we will put garlic in it. Now chicken goes in it first, and with chicken same time we can put garlic also. We can cover it for a little bit, and then we will start putting other ingredients. We put almost half cup of water in it all together. Keep it covered on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Now we can add all spices. And half of ginger over here. We do not add oil yet. We can put tomato in it, and after this we will cover it for 5-6 minutes again. We are using medium flame. Now tomato is soft, so we are putting onion in it. With onion we can put oil also, but first we can wait little bit. We add onion in it, and now let me put oil in it. It will take approximately half cup oil. it is almost ready. So we are putting green pepper in it. You can put according to your taste, and with it I am putting lemon, also squeezing on it. If you want more sour, you can put more lemon, but I am putting only half lemon. Now we are putting rest of the ginger on it, and today I have cilantro in my freezer, so if you have fresh cilantro you can put that, but I have frozen cilantro, so I am using that. It tastes better with cilantro. Now you can see oil is getting separate from masala, so it's ready to serve. I will serve on same tawa or big kadai. We call it tawa. It looks pretty good. I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you like it, subscribe my channel.